Imagine giving your furry best friend a diet that boosts their energy, sharpens their mind, and even helps manage certain health conditions. Sounds amazing, right? The ketogenic keto diet, which has taken the human world by storm, is now making waves in pet nutrition. But can dogs truly benefit from this low-carb, high-fat way of eating? Let's dive in and find out. The basics of the keto diet for dogs. A ketogenic diet focuses on reducing carbohydrates while increasing healthy fats and maintaining adequate protein intake. The goal? To shift the body's primary energy source from glucose, sugar, to ketones, which are produced when fat is broken down. This metabolic state, known as ketosis, has been linked to various health benefits, from weight management to improved brain function. Dogs, like their wolf ancestors, are naturally inclined toward a carnivorous diet. While modern dog food often contains a high amount of carbohydrates, their bodies are fully equipped to thrive on protein and fat. That's why a well-balanced keto diet might be an excellent option for some pups. Health benefits of a keto diet for dogs. Weight management. Obesity is a growing problem among pets, leading to joint issues, diabetes, and heart disease. A keto diet can help regulate weight by reducing carb-driven fat storage and promoting lean muscle. Increased energy and endurance. Fat is a more sustainable energy source than carbs. Active dogs, working breeds, or pups that need an energy boost may benefit from this shift. Better brain function. Ketones provide fuel for the brain, potentially improving cognitive function in aging dogs or those with neurological conditions like epilepsy. Cancer prevention and support. Some studies suggest that cancer cells thrive on glucose. By cutting out excess carbohydrates, a keto diet may slow tumor growth and support dogs undergoing cancer treatment, improve digestion, and reduced allergies. Many commercial dog foods contain grains and fillers that trigger allergies and digestive issues. A clean keto diet eliminates unnecessary ingredients, making it easier on sensitive stomachs. How to transition your dog to a keto diet. Switching your dog's diet should be a gradual process to avoid digestive upset. Start by reducing carbohydrates while increasing healthy fats and proteins. Ideal keto-friendly foods for dogs include fatty meats, like beef, chicken, and lamb, fish, eggs, organ meats, and healthy oils, such as coconut oil and fish oil. Avoid starchy vegetables and processed treats loaded with fillers. That it's also crucial to monitor your dog's progress. Keep an eye on their weight, energy levels, and overall health. If your pup has a pre-existing medical condition, consult your vet before making any drastic changes. Is the keto diet right for every dog? While many dogs can benefit from a low-carb diet, it's not a one-size-fits-all approach. Puppies, pregnant or nursing dogs, and those with certain metabolic conditions may require different nutritional needs. Always tailor your dog's diet to their specific requirements. And when in doubt, seek professional advice. Final thoughts. A well-formulated keto diet could be a game-changer for your pet's health. With the right balance of fats, proteins, and nutrients, your dog may experience more vitality, improved digestion, and even protection against disease. So, are you ready to explore this revolutionary approach to pet nutrition? Have you ever considered switching your dog to a keto diet? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below.